Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Happy Saturday. Oh gosh, it's so hot here today. I hope you've got this amazing weather wherever you are. This video is a collaboration with the incredible Sharon Lindley. We have collaborated many times before and this was meant to happen months ago, but I ran out of resin and we pushed it back and pushed it back. But finally we are here. We are doing Northern Lights Resin. And it's mixed media, so we can put anything in there that we want. I'm just using epoxy resin and some acrylic paint as well, and I'm getting all of my Northern Lights inspiration from the incredible Jonna. I think it's Jonna, but phonetically I'll put her name on the screen. Go check her out. She's my favorite YouTuber ever, and her filmography of the Northern Lights where she lives in Sweden, it just blows me away every time. But I am using in this video transparent colors only. I'm using my Deco Color inks and I'm using some blues and I'm using some greens as well. And these are the two blues that I'm using. And on the right, I'm using one alcohol ink as well. I'm using Pinata Lime. And yeah, fingers crossed it all goes to plan. But I'm also using this cake tin. Now, this is a silicone cake mold, which can really take the heat. It can really handle the heat. So of course, safety first. I've got my windows open, I've got my mask on. Now I don't plan on talking throughout the whole video because it's more of a process than you don't need to hear me talking for the next 15 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna split my resin. This is gonna be a layered piece, so it took 5 layers in total, including the top coat, which I haven't done yet, but don't tell anyone. I will have to put a top coat on this piece. You'll see at the end it's a bit sharp around the edges. But yeah, I hope you really enjoy the process. If you've got any questions, please do let me know. Everything I use in the video will be linked down below. I've got my UK and USA Amazon links down there, plus a lot of other information of all the affiliate companies I work for. Any kind of discount code you can find, it will all be linked below. Massive shout out and thank you to my patrons who chose the thumbnail for today's video. And I really appreciate all of your support and just helping me so much. So I'm going to stop talking and put on hopefully some enjoyable music. And yeah, I'll speak to you again at the end. you would have seen me there use a Posca pen, a black Posca pen, to create the lines of my trees, just to give me that straight line that I really need. Now I'm just using my fan brush here with some black acrylic paint to create these Bob Ross trees. I have to say, Bob, you made it look a bit easier on the TV. This is the first time I'm attempting these. I mean, they work, right? They look like trees, but you know, Bob makes everything look so easy, and yeah, I need practice, but yeah, that's the process. So I really hope you like it. And I've made bigger trees on the outside coming down into smaller trees in the distance on the horizon to really draw the eye down into the center. But yeah, okay, I'll stop talking now and put the music back on. So this is 24 hours after that final clear coat went in, and I have to say those trees, they needed the trees. I didn't know where I was going with this piece, honestly, and I couldn't get the effects I really wanted in the sky. But yeah, the edge is still sharp, so I have to sand that back a bit and then do a flood coat on top, and this will be finished. I absolutely love it. What I don't love is how reflective black resin is. You could literally see every single one of my lockdown chins, so I had to cut out some of the video. Honestly, the shame. Oh dear. Anyway, this is what it looks like with the light coming in at the back, and I absolutely love this piece. It allowed me to just be free and just go with the flow, because at one point I was like, no, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I couldn't get the Northern Lights right at all, but honestly, Bob Ross came along, saved the day with his massive trees, and it just all came together. And I hope you've really loved it as much as I have. Sharon, thank you so much for the collaboration. I will link Sharon's channel down below, so go check out her piece as well. Cannot wait to see it. And thank you all so much. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.